Name division. Okay. I'm Richard Morgan, Sergeant, Denham Town, Head Station. Being a police officer is my dream, and challenge with cancer, you just take it one day at a time. Well, I did, and I hope people will follow my footstep. Thinking about the sickness, it does not help. You have to drive something else with you to get away from that. And being around a family at work is just a way. It's just like a family away from home. And all the friends that I know and the people I come across, it takes away the thinking of being a cancer patient. So on a daily basis, you come to work, you do the work, you're gone. It's just not, I'm not sick, and that pushed me to the limit in the days. And my grandmother always tell me that don't fret for me, pray for me. And I believe in prayer. Prayer does a lot. And you believe in prayer, it will help.
What motivates you to keep on working so hard every day though?
Well, it's a motivation from a lot of people. Mr. Watkins is one, the Deputy Commissioner. ASP Jackson is another one. Inspector Grant is another. I was a part of a team, they call it Delta Apps. And you have a lot of persons there. Inspector Thompson, who is at Hunts Bay, Sergeant Anderson, and a whole heap of other persons. You know, being a leader, and you have your juniors with you, you know, it is just fun. And when you know what you're doing and you want to help to change this country, Jamaica, from what it is to something better, then you can't just come and lay back and sit. You have to be up and about. You have to know the key players of gangs. You have to know what to expect at another day. But then in that, you have to be, you have to be a family. And being a family, it is good. So,
Morgan, tell us about your work, things that you have done in West, and what is different from you and every other police officer in West, possibly.
Me or I, this is just me being a member of the Jamaica Constabulary. I can't change from who I am. I am just a crime fighter, grew as a crime fighter, and I will die as a crime fighter. So this is just me. If I come to work, it's just work. Work time, playtime. I'm a people person.
Tell me about your experience having done 3 surgeries and returning to work after every occasion. Tell me about that experience.
That year, from January to December, I had 7 incidents, to include 2 cancer surgeries, shot twice, and a motor vehicle accident. I did radiation therapy. So between 2013 and 2017, I did all of those surgeries, but I can't lay down and play dead. And if I'm not bedridden, I can't stay in bed. I have to be moving. It's just like a little car that you buy in Christmas and you wind it and put it down to drive, it just go. That is me. So once I'm up, I am up. And I'll always be like this until that day comes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.